Okay, right now I'm transferring them from this bag I put them in outside with some towels in it to this. And these two have a very faint breathing, and they moved just a little. Let's see. Okay, come on. Come on, little guys. Come on. Don't die on me. Don't die on me. This one I believe is gone. I don't see any movement at all out of this one. But I'm not going to give up hope until I know he's dead. I'm no specialist. I'm not going to toss him out. Maybe he just needs to get warm. Come here, sweetie. Let's see you. Let's see you. And this one has movement. This one's moving his head, if you could see that, very slightly. Now his hand. Okay, baby. Let's see. There you go. There you go. We got 2 more to go. 2 more to go. Come on, sweetie. Okay, this one just made a noise. Or one of those two just made a noise. And are you moving, sweetie? I think this one has a little movement. Let's put him here. Uh-oh. Yes, you're moving. Oh, yes. Okay, but I don't want you to smash your brother, so let's not poke his eye out, honey. We'll have to fix that. Okay, 1 to go. He's the smallest. He's the smallest casualty. Are you moving, honey? Come here, sweetie. Give me a sign. Are you going to move at all? Come on, sweetie. Well, this one I see no sign from, but again, I'm no specialist, so we'll try it.